Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure that you turn the water off and pull out the drain hose from the standpipe. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the transmission lower lip seal in a Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a pair of large pliers, a putty knife, a Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16" socket with extension and ratchet, a chisel, small flat blade screwdriver, a mallet, and a brake package removal tool. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new transmission lower lip seal protector, and the instructions. If you discover that you have oil underneath of your washer, the transmission lower lip seal would need to be checked and replaced if it's leaking. Make sure the water is off, get a small towel ready, and then using the large pliers, unscrew and remove the inlet hoses. I removed the front panel to provide a clear view of how the belts are installed. You do not need to remove the panel yourself in order to complete this repair. Tilt the washer on its back on a 4x4 wooden block. Let's put the towel down on the floor to protect it from the grease. Remove both belts. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw and the washer from the center of the drive shaft. Put it aside. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the drive lug from the drive shaft. Also, put it aside. Remove the drive pulley by turning it counterclockwise. Using the 7/16" socket wrench, remove the stopper screw and the retainer at the top of the bearing assembly. Place the brake removing tool on the brake assembly and using the mallet, unscrew it counterclockwise. When the brake assembly is loose, remove it from the drive tube splines. Now we need to remove the lip seal. It can be done in two different ways. You can purchase the lip seal removal tool or follow my recipe and with some patience and using a few conventional tools, complete the job. Using the chisel, start prying the old seal out. Be patient, we'll get it done. As you can see, it's slowly moving. Now is the time to grab it with the large pliers and turn it to break it loose. I'm switching back to the small flat blade screwdriver. With a little more effort, the seal will come out a bit more and we can use the large pliers and remove it off the shaft. Look, such a small thing caused us such an effort. This is the old transmission lower lip seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Use a degreaser to clean the shaft, the opening around it, and the inside with a flat blade screwdriver or a Q-tip. Next, press the new lower lip seal on the seal protector. Make sure it's on all the way and is not crooked. Slide the tool with the seal on the shaft as far as you can. Install the transmission pulley and turn it clockwise all the way. By doing that, you are pushing the lower lip seal into its place. Unscrew and remove the pulley. As you can see, the seal is installed. And now grab the protector tool by the loops and pull it off. Place the radial bearing on the shaft, then place the brake assembly on the drive tube and start screwing it on by turning it clockwise. Use the brake removal tool and the mallet to tighten it. Install the retainer and secure it with a 7/16" screw. Don't over-tighten it. Place the drive pulley on the shaft and tighten it, turning it clockwise. Next, we need to install the lug nut. Holding the pulley so there is no slack left, place the drive lock onto the shaft so the distance between it and the pulley lug is 3/8 of an inch. Using the Phillips screwdriver, install the screw and the washer in the center of the shaft. Install both belts. We can now remove the towel. Alright, now we can lift the washer on its legs and remove the tape. Then place the front panel locking clips into the cutouts in the top panel, lower the bottom and push it in firmly to lock. Carefully, so the valve's threads are not damaged, thread on both inlet hoses by hand and then tighten them just a bit with the pliers. Make sure you didn't switch around the hot and the cold water hoses. Put the drain hose into the standpipe, turn the water on, plug the washer in and check if it works properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.